Welcome back to Tips and Tricks or Us. This is FaZe Austin. So today, I have my third episode of food reviews. So today, we have kind of a dessert banana. So what you need a banana. It looks really nice, you know. It's kind of warm. It smells like a banana. You need some whipped cream. You need some really nice whipped cream. You need some chocolate syrup. You need some mayonnaise, and you need some ketchup. So, I'm gonna show you how to make this thing. So the first step is grab a knife and peel open the banana. You just gotta peel it really good. Make sure you peel it really good, because then it's not gonna be very good if you don't peel it good. Broke, but it's okay. If it breaks, you know, as long as it's a small piece, kind of put it back together. So once you have that, you're gonna have to try to cut a slit in the middle. Make sure it's not too big. Just for looks, to kind of open it up some. You know, make sure you don't go through the middle. I'll do that with the other piece. Okay, so once you do that, you need to grab the ketchup. You're gonna have to pour it on the top of it. So I'm gonna take the banana, drizzle it like that. And I don't even care about the other piece. I'm not gonna do that. But if you don't break yours, then that's good. You're gonna have to take the mayonnaise. I only have one hand, so I'm gonna try to. I'll let you see. Like that, as you can see. And then some chocolate syrup. I like Hershey's because, you know, Hershey Kiss. Gonna have to pour it on top like that. And then I got some pretty nice whipped cream. So this, I'm gonna spray it on, just like that. Now, let's eat this thing. Delicious. It is very good. I love this so much that I just want to eat some more. See this? Delicious. That I can just mash it up like that. Still eat it. It's delicious. I really recommend you make this at home. 10 out of 10. It's really good. Thanks for watching. It's really good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.